If you look around, you will see that everything is covered with snow. And when I look outside, I look back on the previous winter, and I remember that my daughter, could only speak some words, but one of these words was snow. She said, "No, no." What will you be when you grow up? What will you be? Will you be a doctor? And will you examine your patients?
Я буду писать.
You will write prescriptions for them?
Yes.
And what about the examinations? What will you examine? Will you examine their breathing?
Да.
Say yes. And what else will you examine?